Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today I will show you how to request money on PayPal. First, log into your PayPal account. Click on the request button at the top of the page. Enter the email address or mobile number of the person you're requesting money from. Add the amount you want to request and select the currency. You can include a note or reason for the request if needed. Click on Request if needed. Click on Request Payment to send the request. The recipient will be him. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.